Hey everyone, it's Kyle from Regrettable Props, and I got the next part of the Mandalorian cosplay tutorial here out of foam. Going over the gauntlets today, except I won't be doing much speaking in the tutorial. I'll be doing time lapses with some slowdowns for where there's going to be like closer inspection for how to assemble some parts, but in reality, I never used my own templates for these gauntlets. I actually purchased them from someone off of Etsy. I do not remember the name of them, but I will include their link to where you can purchase from them, and I'll include their Etsy shop name on screen. They were a great help. In those templates is a written description on how to assemble. Based on my time crunch and the foam I have, I used the majority of them, but I kind of followed along and cheated somewhat, not including all of them and assembling them that I saw best to fit what I had for materials and time. So here's the left one, a little bit closer for inspection. He said to use 2mm foam for these buttons, and what would have been great is if I had like a hole puncher or a sharpened piece of like copper pipe to get a perfect circle, but I cheated and used googly eyes, small and large ones. They're supposed to be like 12 or something per template. The holes on this were scored using a end of a box cutter, but they would have been done better using the grinding stone bit on a Dremel for the whistling birds. Then you could actually put in some LEDs. I do have the option to go back to, if I want to be able to access that, since this is like a cone. It's not actually like solid foam all the way through, so I could go through later on and modify and add those lights if I want. That is the shape of it after all the painting and weathering. Left one. And then the right one is this. I just used some pen tubes as opposed to foam dowels that he was able to purchase to include in his templates. So I think you got the idea, the gist of them. They just slide on easy. I did not downsize the templates, and they fit my arms really well. No issues with getting them on with the actual fabric. So that's kind of what they look like. So yes, I won't be talking much during this video. I'll have some sections that aren't time-lapse to indicate how to assemble them, but for the most part he includes everything, and gotta give credit where it's due and just let you follow along my process for how I built them, and he includes the written description. So I will let you guys enjoy the video.